Hi everyone, Cherie from Style Arcade here. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to review your Markdown performance. Simply select your saved views and your current Markdown file. Instantly I can see key metrics relating to the Markdown performance. I'm going to make some changes to those metrics by removing price status to include size availability. Let's take a closer look at the Charlotte Hill. What we can see here is we have 38 units of stock on hand and a spot cover of 38 weeks, meaning it would take 38 weeks at the current rate of sale to clear through this stock. I can see that I've already applied a 30% discount and my size availability is at 50%, meaning 50% of the sizes have already sold through. So what this might indicate to me immediately is that a further discount is required to clear through the stock at a faster rate of sale. To make those changes, I simply select the export button and choose which file I'd like to work in. So just like that, how easy it is to identify which SKUs will need a further discount. Now let's look at new lines to add to our sale. We can simply select the Age Styles tab, and now let's look at SKUs that are older than 12 months. So immediately, this screen shows us we have quite a number of options that are still listed at full price. They're over 12 months old, and we can see that a lot of them are turning on high weeks of cover. So again, in just a couple of clicks, we have identified some new lines to add to our sale.